We went to Canada for the Labor Day weekend to spend time with family and friends. Unbeknownst to my mother-in-law, my daughter and her family were also coming up so we could really have a nice family reunion. This particular day, they haven't arrived yet, but they were going to arrive late in the evening after work and then surprise my mother-in-law the next day coming over for a visit. And yes, she was very surprised. But in the meantime, we saw things that we hadn't seen in a while or we had never seen. And it was a good trip up.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.